old engine. Hey, was there a turbo? No. 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 Oh yes, there it is. Kalima. The windscreen is white. That's better. One secret from Lanzarote: we're going to Playa Blanca via Femes. That's a beautiful route. Femes is a small little village in the south of Lanzarote, and from here it's going steep down to Playa Blanca, and really steep, so drive carefully. But it's a beautiful area and you can walk pretty good around here.
Dust.
Sometimes you have to pay here €3. The last years when we've been here, we often have been to Playa Papagayo, and 2 out of 3 times there's someone asking for money, and then it's $3 and you can get in with your car. Now there was no one, so now it's for free. We're parked, but pretty uneven, so we're pretty steep down, and I got an app, so I'll measure how steep it is, if we can level it out a little bit or not, so I'll do that real quick. "25 centimeters, 15 centimeters, 10 centimeters. That's quite a lot. I'm not sure if this is better here.
So this is Lanzarote, and we are approximately, let me see, here.
It's unbelievable how big these waves are. A few days ago we've been kayaking in here, and now you couldn't get in. It's amazing, it's really amazing. 3 feet high or something, 10 feet high, 3 meters. Yeah. Whoa, that boat over there. Small little sailboat. It disappears behind the waves sometimes. Right now, see it? Oh, there's it, look. Woo!
Oh man!
That's RVlife! Yay! Finally, no parking lot, or, well, in the US, Walmart parking, but finally a great spot. Or a few great spots in a row. Yeah, that's great. Let's get back into the sauna. It's pretty warm inside. 27 degrees. So that's, I don't know, 85 or something like that. Around 85. Good morning! Isn't that a great view? The night was perfect. You heard the waves a little bit, but it was calming. It's pretty dark out here, so you see lots of stars. And yeah, now in the morning you can see Fuerteventura a little bit. It's great. We are in Playa Papagayo now. It's in the south of Lanzarote. It's a area you don't get easily to because there are only gravel roads and sometimes it's $3 to come here. But we have nice beaches here. Lanzarote doesn't have a lot of beaches, and here we have a pretty nice one. In fact, there are several nice beaches. This one is a wider one. There are also smaller ones. You can swim here, you see fish. You can anchor your boat. You see Fuerteventura. Playa Blanca is 1 kilometer or so, 3/4 of a mile. You can walk there in 20 minutes. Yeah, it's really a nice area. So let us show you.
Over there you see the beach that you can reach from the RV where we're parked right now. It's called Playa Mujeres, and that's actually a little bit before the main attraction, the Papagayo beaches. And yeah, I would suggest if you want to stay here, you go there, because what's great about that beach is that it's much bigger, there are less people, so it's not so crowded. You have a little bit more, you have it more to yourself a little bit. And yeah, so that just as an advice. It is a little bit windier down there, so that's a little downside, but overall it's much more quiet.
We are having a break.
We're sitting here looking at the nature, taking it all in. Such a nice area. Really nice.
Yeah, we've arrived at the beaches.
Yes.
Actually two.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a beautiful view down there, and there are 2 restaurants. It's always crowded. And yeah, but it's a beautiful spot.
Yeah, indeed.
It took longer than we thought.
Yeah, because if you look at it, if you just look at it, you think, oh yeah, a few minutes walking or something, like maybe 20 minutes, but it takes a lot longer because you have all these hills going up and down with every beach. So yeah, it took us a little bit longer, I think maybe an hour or something.
Yeah, I don't know, yeah.
I don't know precisely, so yeah, but we're here anyways, and I think it's always great here,
Yeah.
with Papagayos. It's crowded, but it's crowded for a reason. Because yeah, you have just these amazing rocks and views on the volcanoes, and the water is just very nice also. You can see all those different kinds of blues, it's very clear, and you have like a natural wave swimming pool or something, I don't know how it's called. So yeah, Papagayos.
That was Playa Papagayo.
Yes.
We've stayed here for 3-4 nights, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
It's a beautiful spot. Yeah, really, Lanzarote, the dry heat,
Dust,
dusty,
volcanoes,
Yeah.
sand. you have it all here. It's very, very beautiful, great area. We're very close to Playa Blanca, which is a very well-known place. But yeah, it's really touristy with all these resorts and everything. We're going on to the next place. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, you can give us a thumbs up. And yeah.
Consider subscribing.
Yeah, that would be great. If you want to see new videos, just click on the little notification button, the little bell.
Oh.
And then you know when there's a new video up.
Then
Okay,
till the
guys.
next time.
Till the next time. Bye.
Yeah, bye. Oh, you could watch one of these till the next time.